In this video, I'll show you how you can change username on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of education and guides and contents like this. Head over to your Facebook account, right? Click on this. Click on the settings and privacy. Click on the settings. If for any reasons you love to change your username on Facebook, right? It's pretty easy. So just watch through what I'm gonna show you right now. Once it has opened up, click on this personal details. Yeah, it's gonna load up right away. I'll give it very few seconds. Yeah, so it's currently loading up. Okay, yeah, so this is it. So if you love to change your username, there's a whole lot of options right here: the profile, connected experiences, password, and security. So just click on this, right? Click on it. You'll be displayed with a whole lot of options right here. Once you have clicked on this, you're gonna see the name, the username, profile picture, and avatar, right? So just click on this username. If for any reasons you love to change your username, this is where you're gonna change it, right? And ensure you read through this. Once you're changing your username, right, just read through this, right? This is what's gonna happen once you have changed your username here on Facebook. It's pretty easy. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Let me know if you guys find this video helpful. I'm gonna make a whole lots of amazing educational and tutorial videos like this. I'll see you all in the very next one.